internet and welcome to my VBS scripting tutorial.
Classic. So yeah, as you heard by that woman, I am doing a VBS scripting tutorial. So yeah. Okay, so let's jump right in here. So to start off, you're going to need um this is going basically a VBS. When I say VBS, I mean like programming, so if you're not interested, then just go ahead and leave right now. However, this kind of thing is sort of useful for like trolling and stuff, and it can also be really helpful too. Um, so we may as well jump right in here. I'm a bit new to this myself. Um, if you're running on a Windows, then you should be able to do it just fine. However, if you're running on a Mac or a Linux operating system or any other kind of operating system, then you're probably going to need to download something if you want to do this. So, let's go right in here. So, actually, let's start with something more basic. Um, let me just delete that, actually. So just go into new, create a new text document, and make sure it's showing file extensions as before, or or as I've shown in you how to access Minecraft.jar, or you can go into File, Save As, and click and just change that to .vbs and select all files and hit save. And then you can go ahead and right click on this and edit it in whatever way. So yeah, let's get started with this. First, I'm going to show you how to create a message box with this. So x equals message box, and it's case sensitive, by the way, guys. Text 0, 0 plus 16, comma, title. So I'm not going to go into detail right now. I'm just going to save it and then show you what happens when we run this here. There we go. Title, text. Okay. And for some reason my system sounds aren't playing for me today, but they should be able to, but it should, when you run this, you should get that like critical stop error sound. Like, let me show you what I'm talking about. Um, that sound. It's because it has that little icon right there. So now let's go ahead and explain how exactly we did this. Oh, for crying out loud. So right here, x equals message box, which is like what we have right here. Text, so whatever you want in here, you put in quote marks. Whatever you want here, this text right here, you want to put in quote marks right here, comma, 0 plus 16, I'll get into that later, comma, title, which is what this right here is. So 0 plus 16, well, what the heck is that? Well, this number is what decides what symbol you use here and what options you get here. So let's go ahead and change that to 1 plus 16. I'll save it. So now we've got two options. We've got OK and cancel, but it doesn't matter which one you click because, well, not yet anyway. So yeah, 0 will give you OK, 1 will give you OK and cancel. 2 will give you abort, retry, and ignore, and it will also block out the exit button, close window button, except for here. Although it doesn't seem to work here, lol. And 3 will give you yes, no, and cancel. And I believe 4 should only give you okay. No, yes and no, actually, apparently. Except that one blocked out the exit button. 5? Okay, so I guess there was more than I thought. Retry and cancel. 6. Yeah, anything, so 6 and above will just give you the OK button, and so will 0. So now, let's go into here and change this, which that is what, this number here is what decides the icon. So if we change that to 32, we'll get this icon, the question mark. So, and 48, I believe, will give you the yellow exclamation point, although I could be wrong. No, I was right. Yeah, but it's actually supposed to play the sounds when that happens, but for some reason system sounds aren't working for me today. Well, some of them are, but not all of them. And 64 will give us the information one, and I believe anything else should just give you the X. Oh, well, 0 will give you nothing at all. 64 plus 16, 64, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80. Yeah, so anything else will give you nothing. No symbol at all. Although you could, if you wanted to, go ahead and type it all as one number. So, like, so let's say we have 1 plus 32. That would be 33. And it gave us that. And we should get the same result if we do 1 plus 32. However, it's just easier, which is neat, but it's just easier to do that whole plus thing. And just to show you that you can change this, I'll just go ahead and change this. Hello world, which is a famous programming line or for people or whatever. And there you go. Hello world. So, yeah, you can probably do something very mean with that. I will be going into more of this later. If you liked the video, then please be sure to give it a like. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave comments in this comment section down below, or just send me a private message over YouTube. Please tell your friends about me with that old share button, because it really helps the channel out. And please go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to see more. I'd love to see some more windows open on this channel. So, yeah. Anyway, my name is Nathan5541. and I'll see you all later.